Alright guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy T right here. We got another special video for you. Y'all, hey, I know y'all didn't think I was done with the sneaker videos, alright? I know y'all see a couple Apex videos on the channel, but we still rocking the sneaker videos as well. We're going to be doing both. Just want to give y'all all a heads up what's going on. But what we want to talk about today is something that's very special, man. You already know I'm a Georgia boy, so you already know I kind of followed this guy for a minute. And we're going to talk about Killer Mike bringing these Run the Jewels. Right, of fact, it was Killer Mike and ELP, which was a group that was formed in the early 2010s. Just to give you a little back history, you already know Killer Mike came to the scene in the 2000s with Outkast, ended up going and doing his own thing, I think mid 2000s, and 2006 as well. Yeah, your boy followed it because Outkast was my group, you know what I'm saying? I am a Georgia boy, what can you say? Yeah, but enough of that, man. Yeah, man, let's take a look at these Run the Jewels, Killer Mike, ELP. Let's get it, man. Alright, so as you see, man, we got the Run the Jewels sneakers here, man. And like I said again, man, this group was formed early in the 2010s, man. And enough of the babbling, let's just go ahead and jump into it. And what we got for you right now is this nice little skateboard box, the Nike SB right here, and a nice little well, cream white, we're gonna call it, with the gray in it as well. And I ain't gonna talk too much about it, throw it to the side, because what we're here for right now is the Run the Jewels sneaker here, right here. And guys, I must say the colorway is pretty smooth, and I definitely like it because, you know, it is from a boy, Killer Mike, ELP. They did their thing with this right here. And yeah, man, it is the skateboard look. Nike has been bringing a lot of Nike SBs, the skateboarders for the skateboarders. And I can't go wrong. I'm about to buy me a skateboard, throw some wheels on it, and I'm gonna start doing my thing. I'm just saying. But yeah, they're definitely hot. As you can see, this colorway here, man, we got a nice little shades of blue throughout this whole little sneaker here in this colorway right now. And also, as you can see here, I want to say this is a, I don't know if I want to call this a pink or like a, I don't know what to call it. A light maroon. I don't know what to call this swoosh on it, but all you can see here, we got a nice little blue and a nice little, I don't know if it's pink, man. Y'all beat me up in the comments. Let me know what color y'all go with this here, man. I want to say it's a, I don't know, pink, purplish. Anyway, as you can see here, man, we got the nice little royal blue that's going on this actual front of the toe box, going into the mud guards and the mids of the actual sneaker here. It's in a nice suede. The sneaker is predominantly suede, and you got like some hits of some hits of leather on it, but predominantly it is a suede sneaker. As you can see, we got the royal blue going on the front of this toe box, on the mud guards, on the other side of the mids right here as well. Also, we got like another nice little blue that's going here as well in the front of the toe box. Also going on down the actual, going from the mids to the back of the actual sneaker here, which is in a nice, I call it a nice little lighter suede. This here got like a more thicker suede, like a little light hairy suede type jump. And also for the leather, we have a leather here that is in the light blue, and we do got the Nike that's in gold stitching here as well. We do have a nice leather here. Now going to the front, as you can see here in this actual toe box, again, we do got the little holes in it, the perforable holes I call them. We do have them going on, and then going right up this nice little tongue, we have a thick padded tongue, which I'm gonna say is for the skateboarders right here. You can see a thick pad leather tongue that's in that nice little light blue as well. And then also, if you look in the inside of the sneaker, right along the anklets of the sneaker, we do got some thick padding on the back. Again, that is probably for, if you're a skateboarder, I'm sure it is, for all the stopping, the tricks and all that stuff y'all guys be doing on them skateboarders. Man, shout out to the skateboarders, because I don't know how to skate. But yeah, we got the nice little little padding on here as well. Now, just jumping into the sneaker, we do have 3 different pairs of laces with these sneaks right here. We got this here, we have this blue here, we also have the shade of the royal blue as well, and then we do have a lighter shade that is here, right here in the sneaker. I forgot which ones did come in the sneaker, but for me, I think I would rock the royal. I do like the royal blue look with the actual sneaker here. You let me know what y'all will roll with, but I do like the royal blue. I think it stands out a little more for me, so I will go with the royal blue. Now, going to the bottom of the sneaker, as you can see, we do have the clear bottom. As you do see, we have that Nike in the inside, that translucent look. We do have that Nike there, right along with the royal blue as well. And then going to the back, we do have that translucent bottom of the heel right here. Now, again, man, I do like how they did get this whole little sneak set up. And just on my bad, I didn't want to mess that up for you, but that does say Nike here, and this is the Run the Jewel sign right here, the RWJ, and the actual translucent of it. I do think they did a actually phenomenal job with this sneaker, bringing this sneaker here. And again, man, it is for the actual skateboarders. We do again have like a little emblem in the inside of the actual sneaker here. It's like a little emblem in here. Where is it at? Well, it's a little emblem in the inside of the sneaker. But you can't actually beat it, man. Again, man, I do think it's a nice little sneaker to cop. If you didn't get a pair of these, man, do get you a pair of these right here, man. Again, man, Nike Dunk Low SBs right here. Nike's been coming pretty tough with these here, and yeah, man, I must say, the skateboarders, I know y'all having a field day with these skateboard sneakers that's coming out, so you cannot beat that. Again, I do like the sneaker. I am a fan of Killer Mike. Again, I am from Georgia. You know, that's all we do rock in the South. You know, Killer Mike's, Outcasts, Goody Mobs. Hey man, we keep going on and on. I ain't gonna keep going on and on about this, right? Because I don't want to turn this to a artist type video. But yeah, man. Again, Nike Dunks, SB, Run the Jewels. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this actual sneaker here. Do you like it? Do you think it's a good cop? Think it's a bad cop? Do you think Killer Mike ELP did a good job just bringing this sneaker here? And also let me know, was you listening to Killer Mike music back then? Did you listen to it now? Hey man, let me know in the comments, man. Chop it up with me. Let me know what y'all think about this whole little sneak thing. But all in all, man, that's all I got, man. New to the channel, y'all know what to do, man. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for your boy. And yeah, again, like I said before the beginning of the video, I know I'm bringing some Apex videos, man. I am a gamer. I do like rocking Apex. So if you got something to say about the Apex videos, man, let me know in the comments as well. But till then, man, this is what we have for you right now. These nice Nike Dunk SBs right here, Run the Jewels, Killer Mike ELP. And that's all I got for you guys, man. Love and blessings, man. Thank you so much for all the love and support. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.